Welcome to my studio. I'm Wendy O'Brien. Thanks for dropping by. Today I'm going to show you how to complete these pair of raspberries using Prismacolor Premier pencils and Strathmore Bristol vellum paper. I began by outlining the raspberries in carmine red and the leaves with lime pill. I then drew in the styles with sand using firm pressure. I began to block in the darker red sections with crimson red and continued to fill in the berry with the same red. Now this is the first of 12 projects in the Strathmore Learning Series, Learning to Draw Nature with Color Pencil. I will be completing each of these projects using the coloring guidelines and references provided in the book. This is not a sponsored video. I just thought it would be fun to actually do some projects that I don't have to think and just relax and have fun. After blocking in the reds, I then started on the stem using lime pill. I then darkened the reds with another layer of crimson and began to develop the shadows with Tuscan red. I began to add olive green over some of the leaves and stems to begin creating depth. I then colored in the remaining areas with carmine red using light pressure and continued to build my leaves with lime pill. After completing these projects, I will follow up with a book review and my overall impressions and experiences of the projects and instruction. Much like I did with the Strathmore Learning Series that I just completed, How to Draw Textures with Color Pencils. As I worked, I used the reference as a guideline, but I changed it up a bit and made many of the shapes different. For this project, I wanted to pull away a bit from being completely photorealistic and make changes to some of the shapes. Unlike the last series review, I will be doing this a lot with this series. I'm trying to develop a bit looser style and not stay so much to the reference, but use it as a guideline. I felt this was a great opportunity to do this since I didn't have to think about the colors and layers and all that other stuff. I just wanted to let go a bit, if you will. After all my layers are completed, I burnished with my white pencil using firm pressure to blend all the colors together. I then began to restore my color using a combination of crimson red, Tuscan red, and white until I got the look I wanted. If you followed the last series, I would like to know which format you prefer. Do you like the speed drawing with the final book review at the end, or do you prefer more of a general tutorial like this, with of course a book review at the end? Let me know in the comments below. I redefined the raspberry styles with sand and darkened the tips with dark umber, and then going over them again with sand just to tone it down a bit. I completed my leaves using a combination of olive green, lime pill, and white. I then grounded the raspberries by placing a table shadow below the berries using 50% cool gray, Tuscan red, black, and finally burnishing with white to blend and blur the colors together. Until next time, keep on arting! Bye!